Hi, I'm Guillermo. I'm a PhD student who studies chemistry, and I recently received an MBB and a Tier 2 offer. Now, I decided to transition towards consulting as I was interested in solving some of the most challenging problems in the private sector. Recently, I received an invite to the first round of the interviews. Now, I was a little bit hesitant at that point what to do. That being said, CaseBasix ended up being essential. To be more precise, it was the pod system that made me go from an 8 out of 10 to a 10 out of 10. Now, the reason behind it is I had the possibility of working with other people simultaneously. So I had a group of people with whom to just on a regular basis, see how others were performing, but also put myself in a scenario where I would be challenged by my peers. All in all, this ended up being essential in order for me to get the offers. So for anyone who's willing to take the extra step, I encourage to use the pod system at CaseBasix.